Hi EL34s. In math today, we are going to learn how to make or draw our own pictographs or pictographs. Now to make our own pictograph, you need to sort different things that you have at home, like your toys, or it could be the fruits and vegetables that you have, or your clothes in many different ways. You could either sort them by color, you could sort them by toys that has wheels and toys that are used for building. Now let's see how that works. In order to do that, I need to make myself really, really small. So I have a magic wand here, and the magic words are bibbidi, bobbidi, boo. So say them with me. Ready? Bibbidi, bobbidi, boo!
Wow, it worked! Everything looks ginormous. Look at these fruits. They are so big. I'm on this table here with so many fruits. We are going to make a pictograph to see how many of each fruit do we have. First, let's draw the graph. I see there are 3 different types of fruits here. There are apples, bananas, and strawberry. I'm going to draw that on a graph. So here I drew apple, banana, and strawberry. In this space here, I am going to draw how many apples are there, how many bananas are there, and how many strawberries are there. Let's count them. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 apples. So I'm going to draw 4 apples on my graph. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's count how many bananas do we have. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's draw 5 bananas on the graph. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's count how many strawberries do we have.
1, 2, and 3. 3 strawberries. So now, by looking at my pictograph, I can tell that there are more bananas on the table than apples and strawberries. That's the kind of information you can find out from a pictograph. Let's have a look at another table. Ready? Let's jump. 1, 2, 3. Wow, we have Lego bricks here. Let's see, how many of each color do we have? I think first we need to put all the same colors together. Okay, so now the next step is to draw a graph. Now when we counted the number of fruits, we did our graph horizontally. You can also do your graph vertically, just like this. At the bottom here, I have 4 colors: red, green, blue, and yellow. Now let's count how many red Lego bricks do we have. 1. So we have 1 red Lego brick.
So I am going to put one red Lego brick on my pictograph. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 green Lego bricks. So I'm going to put 3 green Lego bricks on my graph here. 1, 2, and 3. Now let's count how many blue Lego bricks do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there are 6 blue Lego bricks. Let's put 6 bricks on our graph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we have the last one. We have to count how many yellow Lego bricks do we have. 1, 2. Okay, so we have 2 yellow Lego bricks. Let's put them on our graph. 1 and 2. Now by just looking at the graph, I know that there are more blue Lego bricks and I have just 1. That means very little red Lego bricks. Now it's time for me to get bigger again. Do you remember the magic word? Bibbidi, babbidi, boo. Right? So help me here. Say it with me. Loud and clear. Bibbidi, babbidi, boo. Wow, that was fun. And now we know how to make our own pictograph. I asked Mr. Jones to draw a graph. Let's see what he's done.
Look at all these toys that Otto has. He has a mouse, a crocodile, a flamingo, and a turkey, and a ball. I'm going to sort these into a pictograph. I sorted Otto's toys with animals that had wings and animals that didn't have wings. I sorted them by animals that had wings, animals that didn't have wings, and then toys that weren't animals at all. I sorted them by colour, by green and pink and blue. And I sorted them by toys that made a squeaky sound and those that didn't. Otto was not very helpful during the whole thing. He kept stealing all the toys, didn't you? He's just stolen another one.
Wow, I loved how Mr. Jones sorted Otto's toys in so many different ways. We now want you to make your own pictographs. You could either sort your toys based on color or based on what kind of toys they are, or you could sort the fruits that you have at home, or you could be your mommy and daddy's little helper and sort all the different things you have in the refrigerator. Have fun and do send us pictures.